Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 30, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now you need to type Magic Fluids and download free version of this app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then choose I accept and adjust your wallpaper however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Home Screen and Lock Screen over here, and go back. As you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!